Welcome back everyone. Today I will be sharing with you an in-house recipe for chicken wrap, popularly known as shawarma in Nigeria. First, I will be spicing up my chicken to have that marinated, so let's get started. If you will look to the top right corner of this page, you will see a list of ingredients that I will be using to have my chicken really well marinated, and that includes salt. Now I'm adding some curry, but I did have Maggi, black pepper. I will use some garlic as well as paprika, cooking spray, and let's not forget the final one which I added was the barbecue sauce. We're going to mix this up together, and we will let it settle in by allowing it to sit together for some time before putting that into the oven. So I allowed my chicken to marinate for about 19 minutes, and here's a beautiful color which will be going into an already preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. So I did get the hot dogs ready for the oven, but I would not be putting that into the oven until about 5 minutes before bringing out the chicken. And now it is time to work on the chicken wrap main ingredients as well as the spices. This is going to give us that very juicy taste. I want to let you know, if you look to the top left corner of this page, you will see a list of these ingredients and step by step. If you're still watching at this time, remember to click like on this video. It tells me that you are definitely enjoying this process, and like me, you're looking forward to the finished product. If you're still watching, be rest assured you are about to find and prepare yourself the best chicken wrap recipe yet. Yes, I said that. Look at the chicken. We have the chicken properly grilled and out of the oven, ready to be chopped into little pieces or whatever the size that you made, but I prefer to have it in chunks. I did also bring out the hot dog from the oven, and those look beautiful as well. My kitchen already smells so good, which I always love. And next in the process is to thoroughly combine or mix together the chopped chicken with the coleslaw mix that we have. So I started by pouring half the size of the chicken into the mixture recipe, and then I stirred together and added some more. And now let's get our tortillas ready for wrapping. I like to start off by heating that up for 30 seconds in a griddle just to get a little brown in color, and after which you get ready to wrap. You want to put the hot dog in the middle and then the mix on top. Remember to stay subscribed to this channel for more videos as to come, and I can promise you, you will love them, every one of them. And after you've been able to wrap up your tortillas with the mix, it's time to place it back in the griddle for about 40 seconds and ready to serve. This is what you should have. And you know, as always, I like to know how this goes for you, so please remember to leave comments in the comment section.